Hi, I'm JR, and I joined the OptaVIA Health Challenge. I joined with my health and wellness experts, health coach, and I'm excited to tell you what's in store today.
At OptaVIA, we believe you can live the biggest life possible.
So today I got this box, and it's from OptaVIA, and we're gonna see what's in store. So when you open the box, it's gonna say, welcome, your bigger and better life is waiting. And then right here, it just lets you know about your shape is eternity forever. So when you open your box, you're gonna get a couple things. The first one that we're gonna see is a book, and this book is by the Dr. A's, and it's the Healthy Eating Habits to a Better Life. And so you're gonna live a longer, better life by reading this book because you're gonna understand what's in store and what's gonna make you have a better health. The second book is a Dr. A's Habits of Health. Now this book is different because when you read it, it's gonna have a better understanding of what to eat, what not to do, how to promote a better healthy living. And inside you're gonna get your little receipt that all boxes come. This is one of the most biggest boxes just because it's the first month of you joining in the program. So for my first month, I was able to speak to my health and wellness coach, and he was able to recommend what I needed for my best suited needs. So they work on your weight, your goals, what you want to do, and the outcome of what you want to expect about joining OptaVIA. And so inside here, I was able to get about a mix of different nuts here. So this is your snack portion. So there's a bunch of different snacks that you can snack on throughout the day. And because I did join the 5-in-1 program, I'm able to eat 5 times a day, but I do have to drink a lot of water. And that's not a problem because I do like water. They give you a nice little water bottle here as well too. And then they give you the omega-3 tablets as well too, that has fish oils and all that good stuff as well. And they give you a nice welcome packet, and this welcome packet just simply introduces all the different things to be part of this new program. And inside here you get all these bunch of different stuff. There's over 15 different things in here, and this is supposed to be a 27-day supply. So this is going to allow me to last throughout this whole month and give me the full benefit of joining this new program. Now there's multiple nutritional snacks that they do provide, countless others as well too, granola bars down to oatmeal and cereal, all this fun stuff. You still get to have, sea salt popcorn, so they have a little nice snack here and there. So you're not limiting yourself, but it's about balancing and eating the right nutrition as well too. So they're going to give you nice little bars, shakes, and different things that you can use for your breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And the nice thing about this is that you can decide what you want to do and what you want to eat. All inside it entails how you can incorporate this into your daily life as well too. There's a lot of cool stuff in here as well. You have your soups, and at the same time you have your chocolate shake. So there's a lot of different things that you can incorporate by joining in on a program like this. And the best thing about this is that it allows you to choose what you want to do, how you can decide what you want to do. So right here I have a nice little rustic potato soup, and inside here I have another one as well, which is not limiting you. As I was saying, you can also have little snacks here and there. You can also have a chocolate fudge brownie. And so it's about incorporating different things that you can incorporate within your lifestyle and learn how to have a healthier lifestyle. One other thing, I can have another soup here as well. So there's a lot of fun stuff that just keeps on the box that never ends. You can also have a vanilla strawberry shake as well too. So these are all just a little bit of the things that you can start off for your 27-day journey, and I'll be documenting the process later. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned. Take care.
Our mission remains the same, but our potential has never been greater.
Together as OptaVIA, we will make it a reality.
Because OptaVIA is our way. OptaVIA is our life.